Hey guys, it's Itsisaactech Talk here, and I'm going to be unboxing the Blue Yeti Microphone, which came in the post the other day. It comes from a recommendation from a lot of YouTubers. I think MKBHD, Andy Slyle. We also have Ninja. I think Ninja used it, the gamer that does the Fortnite stuff. He used the Blue Yeti, I think, in one of his streams. So I quite like the audio that I've heard on their platforms. So I'm thinking that for a growing, starting YouTube family base that has 2 subscribers, this would be great, for you guys, for the listening pleasure of the audience that I do not have. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Just before I start unboxing, you can get this for 25% off with a student discount at Unidays. So make sure to utilize that. It typically ships within 7 to 10 days, not working days. So if you're looking for a fast turnaround, I'd probably go for one of these. But let's begin the unboxing. And we finally get to use the black knife. So let's try and unbox this here. I'm a messy unboxer. Oh god, look at this. Okay, whatever. We're opening it up. Now, the whole reason why I was looking for a good mic was because a lot of my videos, I believe, are going to be typically based on the sound of my voice. Obviously, you don't have my face to deal with. Trust me, you guys aren't missing out on much. But yeah, so the whole reason for getting a mic is because I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of voiceovers and cardiologies and apparently this Blue microphone, they have they have 3 microphones in one, and the whole cardiology, it's just great for podcasting and voiceovers. So I thought, let's invest in the channel, because you can't do anything if you can't invest in yourself. How can you expect other people to invest in you if you don't invest in yourself? So that's why we decided to go with the Blue. I tried to get the Yeti X, but the Yeti X was sold out everywhere. And I think it was going for $200 and close to $300 on Amazon. And I said, nope, forget that. We're not doing that. We're not about to be taken for rides when we have a subscriber family of 2 people. So yeah, there you go. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. It does help us grow. So what do we have here? We have a USB port here. Okay, just a typical USB port. All right. Oh wow, it's the older generation. All right. So you get that. What else do we have? You have your manual, I guess, and your warranty. Warranty's in here, just so you're not scared. Oh, so you don't forget that. You got the warranty there. That's fair. I used to protect the mic. And this is the big daddy. Okay, let's have a look. Oops. Oh, this has some weight to it. Feels like I'm lifting a trophy. Oh, this is heavy. Wow. This is so heavy. It has some... Look at this. This has some serious weight to it and girth. Okay, let's take this out. Oof. 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 Wow. Wow. Okay, they protect the mic with this little foam thing here. It's interesting. Wow, this is legit. Wow, this is serious. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Blue Yeti. This is the mic. I think this is just to control your volume, and I think your audio output. It also has, this is where you connect the USB, and this is where you connect the headphones, for your own voice feedback. Not bad. And at the back, you can control your gain and your patterns and all that. Now this can be easily controlled with GarageBand if you're using a Mac, so you don't have to download anything. Thanks for coming to the end of this video and watching this unboxing. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember, IIT Tech Tips for you. We're growing together. Thank you guys for the support. I really appreciate it.